Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing fleets and connected devices requires real-time data and smart automation. Samsara brings LOT and fleet management together for the modern business. Let's break it down. Samsara provides GPS tracking, telematics, driver safety tools, and IoT sensors all in one platform. You can monitor vehicles, equipment, and operations in real time, optimize routes, and reduce fuel cost. Its cloud-based dashboard and analytics give managers actionable insights to improve efficiency, safety, and compliance across their fleets. Samsara helps businesses stay connected, informed, and efficient in every aspect of fleet and IoT management. If you want smarter fleet and IoT management in 2025, Samsara gives you control, visibility, and operational efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.